folks, the Blue Yeti Blackout Edition USB microphone with a Fallout 76, which, like I said, I'm not gonna play. And not because I don't like games, I just don't want to play that game. So, let's see what's in here. You know what? Doing it wrong. How am I gonna go right to the goodies? I gotta show you the box. I gotta show you all the stuff. So there's the front. There's the side. Blackout Yeti Fallout 76. PC standard version. Yeti, ooh, a Yeti noun. Legendary ape-like creature who roams the Himalayas. Wow. Okay. Package includes Yeti USB microphone, Fallout 76, download code, USB cable. Okay, that's easy. That's how it looks. Ooh. All right. Okay. And there's the other side. Game is rated M for mature, but yeah. There's the bottom. I'm gonna cover up my serial number. I think it matters. I can't play it on my Mac though, but you know what? I may try it out. Who knows? I doubt it though. I doubt it. But we'll see. So you open the box, lay it down, lay it down, lay it down. So there's some tape here, which I could probably peel off with my nail. You know, I'm not too prepared. There it go. There it go. There it go. My daughter wants to be in the video, but she can't be seen because I have the video heading down. So, got a USB cable right here. This is, let's see here. Oh, the Ziploc bag, cool. So this is USB A to, that's what, mini? Yep, mini. Then I have, yeah. Oh, okay. 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 All right. Okay. All right. So I have my Fallout 76 code here, which I'll figure out what I'm gonna do with that. The manual for the microphone right here, pretty cool. Lift up this styrofoam or whatever it's called. Excuse me. And there is the Yeti microphone. That looks very nice. Look at that, Ashlyn. That looks nice.
Yeah, I love you.
What color is this?
Brown.
This is what?
It's brown.
It's black.
Oh.
Yeah, it's black. Yeah, it's black. I'm gonna take the box away. We're gonna tighten this up. Maybe. There we go. So there's the mic, instructions, game, and the cable. All right. So that is the unboxing of the Blue Yeti. Okay. All right.
It's black.
Yeah, this is black. So.
It's a microphone.
Yeah, it's a microphone. All right.
I like that microphone.
All right, folks. Well, that's the unboxing of my mic, and we'll be using that. And so, as always, thank you for watching the session. Please comment, like, subscribe, hit the bell. Really appreciate it.